Now, when somebody has it, they pass it on to others. And I don't like that little axiom that says birds of a feather flock together, except in the church. If somebody has a strong witchcraft spirit, watch the people that cluster around them because they're being infected. And I mean, I've had women that they walk through the church with 2 people behind them, and the 2 people can't sit down until they go give them a nod with their head. I had one girl that split and made most of my ushers leave the church. We called it the Donut Rebellion. All the ushers were going to a house where she was teaching them. And she told the ushers, God's shown me that Pastor Gary is going to be my husband. I want you to prophesy what you see about that relationship. So she had them prophesying and giving her confirmations that I would be her husband. She began to turn the hearts of my ushers against me. And then I had been giving, because we had 3 services. We were growing so fast. We had 3 services that I supplied donuts to the ushers between services. And the donut bill was about $58. But over a period of time, all those ushers who were now going to her Bible study, the ushers were eating a lot of donuts. And it went to $182. And then it went up to $312. And I'm saying, elders, go and find out how fat are my ushers. That's a lot of donuts. I'm just saying, this person was putting a spirit of rebellion in them. Watch how it worked. So one day, one of my head elders goes and he sees that not only the ushers are having donuts, the ushers' families and their children are having donuts, their relatives and their special friends from the church are having donuts, and we have a donut conspiracy on our hands. And I told some of my leaders, I said, I am not going to spend $380 to $400 on donuts, so cut off the donut supply. All but 3 of my ushers quit the church because that woman told them, this man is wrong to cut off your donuts. I'm just telling you, this Jezebel bites me in the craziest ways. But these are true stories. I put a very sound elder over my ushers, and within months, he had a great usher staff. None of the people that were infected by the donut rebellion ever returned.